Hi, and the one. Thank you.
This is this there.
Ah, it is tasty.
This is the specialty of my grandfather.
One with that color. Hey, and the one. You know, Yandy one, I love you too much.
Oh.
You know, Yandy one, I always say, anyone who has a friend is doubtless a rich man.
Who said?
Yandy one, you are a richness for me. Yandy one, hey, I love you too much.
I love you so much. Is it when we say if you have a friend, you have a richest? A richest, oh yeah. And we say if you miss a friend, you are nephew. He's a nephew. If he's a pro, he just stay himself. He's alone. He stays like this, like that, like this. Is alone. You remind me of our former time, eh? Hey, we used to do fuck. Everybody used to dance. Everybody used to do a song. What kind of song? Achana caramela, oh, averega mpoto, oh, yakumben, yakumben ma wo ma, yakumben da wo,
yundele muyibe, mundele lukuto, atala le pongo pongo, akontina ndikati yanda ko, asala yango,
helicopter, oh, yakupum ma wo ma. Hey,
Hey, Mama, my wife, I really love you too much.
Thank you so much, I brought you this.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Enjoy your drink.
Thank you very much. My wife, just a leg.
No, drink.
My darling.
I'm already taken.
Okay. Let's say first our ancestors.
Good. Ancestors, we are doing this right so as you can keep forever your strength and at last you deliver that strength.
Amen.
I never give ancestors. My ancestors were not drinking the way yours did.
You're drinking too much.
What does it mean? What does it mean now?
Whoa, you are a woman.
Ancestors
You
invocation.
cannot understand.
Enjoy your drink.
Whoa.
Salva,
Goody bang.
I wanted to ask you something.
But go on, you my wife.
But in front of your friend, it's ridiculous.
Talk to my ear.
Why?
Whisper can hear.
That's a ritual.
Okay, that's good. Okay, see you soon, eh? Oh, see you soon, oh.
Ah, you too. Pesa masikoyo.
Oh, yo, pero someone taking a vein and bakolo. Someone let's Nani, let's do it soon, okay?
Just give it to me now.
I said get away.
You said soon.
I say soon.
Soon.
I say soon.
You promise.
Promise, I tell you.
Mr. Anyone. I'm leaving you now.
Thank you very much for this
Yala. I'm leaving you guys now.
See you soon.
Then Yandy one, and if I invited you to come in this place, so Yandy one, as I said soon, that if you have a friend, you have a riches. Then I really need something, just a little amount of 26,000.
How much have you said? 26,000?
Exactly, Congolese francs.
You want it from me
Exactly
now?
from you. You see, I have a little problem, woman, and I just want to solve. Then after I give you back, it's over. Don't worry. I say to myself, why I should wonder? Because I have a friend who is practically a friend, and I.
As we always say in our kingdom, if there is for one, there is for two, and there is for everyone.
Bringo.
I have to tell you this, my brother.
You've chosen a wrong moment, eh?
Don't tell me that, Yandiwan.
Yes, cause I wanted to use that money for my home gods.
Don't do that to me, Yandiwan. I only have you like a friend, like a neighbor in this village.
Ah!
So, but you see, I should open the door for you.
Above all of your heart.
I didn't want to give you because I have a lot of things to do with that man. But you say thunder.
Because of the rain.
Not only because of rain. What can I say? Recommendation from ancestors.
Ah, okay.
That means that ancestors are telling me to give you the money. But in one condition. You should give it back to me this evening.
Because I am just taking the train here. I will do 45 minutes to a right town. There I will do some necessary shopping. I am giving you it now, but in the evening, my brother, let me tell you, don't let me come to ask you the money.
You know well when we are talking about money, don't joke, eh?
Listen, S just told me that you will pay back to me. No, please, I should taking train 45 minutes to get down. I will pay it back in 38 minutes exactly.
Oh, wonderful! Yes.
Really, thank you very much. Hey, everyone!
Bodo!
Jame, Turume, Jemela, Introje yele biyumula. Nemantono,
In the village. Hadari! Where is she? My daughter! Hadari! Oh my God! No, this is not true! My God! Wow! My daughter! What am I gonna tell your father? I'm finished.
Hey, do you know the neighbor that stays behind there?
Which neighbor is that?
The one that lives behind there. She came here. Oh, she said she wants to go to her sister to talk about you. I said,
My
you
sister?
know her sister?
For what?
She said she wants to talk to her. I don't know why.
Yeah,
I
let
told
her
her
come.
that girl is not talking to you. I don't
Let her
know.
come. She will find me here.
We'll wait for her. She even said she was going to come here. Let's wait.
Let her come. She will
I
find me
really
here.
told her
waiting
that
for
that
her.
girl's sister doesn't talk too much. If you want to talk to her like that, I will speak also on her
She's
behalf.
such a gossiper.
You know that? Maybe she thinks that because... Hey. Mwambudi.
Please, can you guys help me?
Mwambudi.
Help
Who is
me,
dead?
please.
Who's dead?
Help me, oh, help me find her. Help me find her, please.
Who's that? To find
Who's
Mwambudi. What is happening? Tell us.
Hey, mommy. Mama,
Sit here,
my
sit here,
daughter. I
Moody.
want to see my daughter, please. I want to see my daughter. Help
But
me find
Moody,
my
what
daughter.
is it really?
Hey!
If there's a problem, tell us now. Moody.
I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
What is your
What am I
problem?
going to tell my husband?
About what?
Oh, no, it's very complicating. My husband is complicating. I beg you.
Okay,
Please help me.
yes. Is she
Your
dead?
daughter?
Is she dead?
Please help me find her. Help me find her. I beg you.
Why didn't you tell us?
What happened?
What happened?
What has she seen? Did she suffer? No, it's not what you're thinking.
What is wrong?
She's not
Moody?
dead.
What's the problem?
She's not dead. We came from the other side of the river, in that other village.
Yes.
When we arrived on on the mountain road, just after the mountain road, when we arrived there,
again. I don't
we
know.
arrived there.
Where is that?
Suddenly, she was with me. Suddenly, my daughter disappeared. I don't know if she was kidnapped or I don't know what
We don't
happened.
understand.
Please help me.
What is it?
They
We don't
disappeared.
understand. I don't understand. What do you mean she disappeared? I told my sister, this village is not nice. Let's get out of here.
I don't know what I'm gonna tell my husband. I don't know. Hold on. I'm not yet arrived at home. I don't know what I'm gonna tell my husband.
Hey, my God.
I don't know.
I should say. Really? My husband is complicating.
I'm running away from problems, but problems are following me. What is happening to me?
Come on, baby. Come with me, baby. You don't want to take a bath with me?
Leave me alone, I said.
Daddy, calm down, please.
Leave me and remove my mother's bracelet. Leave me and give me.
What's up, Daddy? You don't want to take a bath with me or what?
Who do you take me for? A prostitute from this village or from somewhere else? Give back my mother's bracelet.
Listen, Daddy, I'm gonna give you back these, but on one condition. You take a bath with me, and I set you free, then you go join your mother.
Really?
Here's all.
Who doesn't know you in this village? Everyone knows you in this village. They know that you're a womanizer. You finished your nonsense in Kinshasa and now you came to this village.
Listen, Daddy. All the girls of this village will grab this opportunity if I offer them taking bath with the most handsome guy of this village. So don't screw up anything, okay? I don't force you either, Daddy.
Anyways, since I want you to be always beautiful, I will give you these. You will go. But I have a gift for you.
Give back my bracelets.
Ta-da! Yeah, even if you don't want me, okay? I still have a gift for you. This happy hair is coming from Kinshasa. It will make you beautiful with a soft skin. This is Mona Lisa. Look at the girl. She's not prettier than you. And this, if you tell me one day you love me, this is my lucky chain. I will give it to you. Please, love me.
Never.
Please, I beg of you.
Never, I said. Never will I go out with an occasional partner. Never. Look, there is HIV in the world. There are also STDs. No, Junior, I won't do that. And with your reputation, I can never go out with you. Will you give me my bracelets?
Hold a second. Look at me while netting. Do I look like someone with HIV positive? Do I have STD? Sexually transmitted disease?
Oh, yes.
Look at my skin. I don't have
Oh,
scratches.
it does not show directly. We may never know. Give me back my mother's bracelets, please. Give me my mother's bracelets. I want to go.
Well, Nadine, tell me. Just a word of love, please. I'm loving you. All the girls are running after me.
Let me go. Junior!
Tell me, please. What does it take for a man to be loved by you? Please. I have given you molars and helped them for you to look prettier. Why don't you understand me? You want your bracelet, right?
Give my mother's bracelets.
I won't give you the bracelet if you don't accept me.
I will never accept you, and you will give me back my bracelets. Give me back my mother's bracelets. Junior, give me back those bracelets.
These are not for your mom. It's for you.
They're not mine. Oh, give me back.
Ah! This is it, huh? Instead of being there working for your family to get something to eat, you are here you're
You
joking.
know that I was hunting, but I didn't find any meat.
No meat found.
No, that she can testify, right?
So she's the meat, huh?
What can I do for you to be serious, even for once?
What is wrong? Shut up, yo!
It's okay. I'm going home.
My bracelets!
Huh? You tell me, who is she?
I don't know what she's talking about.
Shh. Hey, you. I am even looking for your father. Your father came into mine this morning to take my money.
It remains little invest this afternoon, but what I'm telling you is affordable. Hey,
As you are there.
you gotta give me the right information about your father, where he is.
If not, how?
And where is he hiding?
I don't know.
As you don't know the place your father hides.
In the name of MIDJUDJUS law, I arrest you.
Oh,
Hey, so you've understood. If a father doesn't pay my debt,
The best you can do, don't set her free.
Under the law of MIDJUDJUS, I love you, and you will never leave me.
you're sick.
Come with me.
Leave me alone.
I love you. Kiss me.
He's looking for me.
Come, let's go. Let's go.
Leave me alone.
Hey! Woody can leave. I will find another woman. But not my child, Dadin. Dadin, really, Dadin. Hey, I'm done. Hey, Didn't you see my wife and my daughter? My wife, she's called Mbudi. My daughter, she's called Nani Dadin.
No, I didn't see them. I am also looking for my dog for the Nino.
Get away. I'm searching my daughter and you telling me about dog.
Sir, are you trying to insult me or what?
Get away. You useless man you are.
You're the very useless man. Idiot. Foolish man. What are you trying to tell me, you idiot?
Get out of this place.
Katukadi.
I must say.
No more ever try to reuse this word because you. I will beat you and you will reach all your life. woman.
Idiot. I beg, oh, did you see my wife? Mbudi, no, with my daughter, Daddy. Tell me, I beg. Hey, Mbudi, stop. Stop. Mbudi, tell me, where is my daughter? Since you went out, Mbudi, I don't even know. Hey, Mbudi, you want to kill me now?
Oh, so she's not at home yet.
Who do you take me for? Well, what happened? Are you joking?
Oh, but I'm supposed to ask you that question.
Hey! Baneko boy, okay? You are not scared. You are asking the question. No, where is my daughter, Daddy?
Oh.
Did you go out with somebody? Eh?
Oh.
What kind of lies are these?
Oh, it's not that what you are saying now, my husband. I was with her, but I thought she went home quickly and arrived.
Moody, calmly, slowly, softly, give back my daughter. Moody, give me back my daughter.
Oh, so you mean it's serious?
Hey, Moody, really you think that I'm joking with you now? Do you think this is April Fool's or what?
So it's serious?
Moody, oya luka kakomona. Akomona pena miso.
No. Please don't say that to me. I accept I was with her, but you must also help me. Help me find her, please, I beg you. Oh, you're the one. Oh, you're the one. You're the one. What is it? Huh?
See, your husband is not serious. He is not serious at all, your husband.
See the way I'm with him, just because of him.
I am perspiring because of him. He came to ask me money in the morning.
I gave him, but for giving it back to me,
for getting my money, see what I'm obliged to do. Run, all cause of money.
So it means that you are following my husband.
Oh, I'm telling you, he took my money. So let me tell you this, if your husband doesn't pay back my money,
you will never see your doctor.
Hey!
This is it.
You mean, please, the only one. Please, the only one. I'm suffering and looking for my daughter everywhere. So you're the one who kidnapped her. Wow!
See, let me tell you, I kidnapped your doctor because of your idiot husband who doesn't know how to respect his words. So, woman, stop following me like this.
Get out!
Look, you're the one, look! But this is your business! Whoa!
Snake, I'm scared.
So tell me, how will I return back? Tell me!
Just tell me!
Please,
no.
Look.
Your husband, you should tell him he's a courageous,
He's a running man. I don't see him.
Let's see, But the crime was personal. Tell me, how can you kidnap my daughter just because of one wife? Oh.
You know you've married a hunting man.
Your husband is really a running man.
Oh God.
But see, Yandy one, Please, let's find a solution.
Find it yourself.
Please, I want to see my daughter.
Nonsense.
I really need my daughter. Please, Yandy one. Hey.
Everybody in this village forbade me to give the man to your husband.
I did it by love, by friendship.
I did it because we are from one land.
We are from MIDJUDJUS. But
okay, fine.
Your husband is
it's fine.
No.
It's fine. It's fine, Yandy one. Calm down.
Get away.
So how much was the money he borrowed from you?
Do you have something there?
Oh, just
26,000.
26,000 Congolese francs.
In the wait of evening.
He gave me something, but I didn't use it yet. I really want to see my daughter, please, Yandy one. Where is she?
Where is she? Who?
My daughter.
Get out.
So that we may give the same time.
Give me the money first.
My daughter first.
Should I work together with your daughter?
Oh, give me my daughter first. Look, the money is here. I have the money. You give me my daughter, I give you your money.
What is the rate? I'm not the reason for what I insist. How much is there?
Oh,
I don't like this kind of joke. I don't like it at all.
Because your husband came to cheat me.
Please, Yandy Mosi, I only want to see my daughter here. That's all. Yes, that's the problem.
Hey, Mama Budi. It's not for nothing that I am here.
Because I will easily see him when he will get back at ease.
I will see him, don't worry.
But he's looking for his daughter, you too, Yandy one. Give me back my daughter.
Aye.
What are you doing? Oh, leave me alone. What is it? Leave me alone. Daddy.
Anyone? What? You are dead. You kidnapped my daughter because of your death, anyone.
Wait.
What do you mean by that?
Anyone?
What do you mean by that?
Anyway, you're going out of the philosophy of our kingdom, anyone.
This it means that,
But you are not grateful.
that you do exactly what we call in our land
Breach of confidence. So,
you permit to kidnap my daughter. Is that alone in our kingdom?
yes, it was monkey madness.
Kidnapper.
I kidnapped her.
Yes.
Please, father.
So, you did that to my daughter?
Get up and let's go.
You won't
get
have
up
this
and let's
money
go.
anymore.
If you're
a real man, then come and take it.
nonsense. I'll pay back your money.
Kidnapper that you are.
So,
What?
I want to take this opportunity to... I already spoke with my father. I told him everything, and Nadine and we've talked about it already, and we already agreed, and we just wanted to talk to you about it. And actually, we want to get married.
Occasionally of this occasion, you want to profit to take occasion to make occasion to occasion this. You want to profit of anyone.
Is it like this, like this, anyone? If you want to marry, if you like your son get married to my daughter, you should first kidnap her.
Is it a sin to ask the end of your doctor?
It was not a sin when he kidnapped my daughter.
I worry God, why did you put someone like this in our land?
Lord, I wonder why such a father could urge his son to kidnap my daughter. They do all the same business, Lord.
So you want to say it was a deal, eh?
Please.
That's it.
No. Let's put all the weapons down, please. We have to talk. I love your girl, and
That is not true. I don't want that marriage.
Nothing. You
It's
just
not
told
true.
me. You just told me that you love me.
my son, the girl has refused your proposition. As she has refused, what else can we do?
Daddy.
Hush! Woo!
Nadine told me she will have hard time to accept me in front of her parents. I understand.
Oh, yeah, listen. You have also chosen a wrong moment to say things. Let us go. Move there.
Oh, kidnappers. Kidnappers that you are.
Because of kidnapping my daughter, you won't have that money.
Hey, give me my money. I said, hey, give me my money. My money. You people are joking.
Yosokomona eza sekoleka kitokwa lelo butulu ya lobi bozu ya seo eza se mopepe molimo na yo esengeli obatela